Did you know that the average sofa harbors more bacteria than a toilet seat? Shocking, isn't it? Our sofas, which we consider to be the epitome of comfort and relaxation, can actually be a hidden hotspot for germs and bacteria. Our beloved couches, often seen as havens of comfort, silently collect dust, crumbs, and spills, turning into breeding grounds for unseen enemies. Every time we sit, eat, or even just relax on them, we contribute to this invisible accumulation. Please take a second to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Knowledge is power. By understanding the nature of these contaminants, we can take proactive steps to combat them. Simple, regular cleaning routines can make a world of difference. By understanding the causes and cures for couch stains, we can create a harmonious balance between relaxation and cleanliness. From knowing the right cleaning agents to using effective techniques, maintaining a clean sofa is within everyone's reach. Let's embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries behind these unsightly blemishes and discover how to keep our sofas sparkling. With a little effort and the right knowledge, we can ensure our sofas remain the cozy, clean sanctuaries they were meant to be. So grab your cleaning tools and let's get started on this path to a cleaner, healthier living space. The culprits behind our stained sofas are often our everyday companions: food, pets, and children. A stray coffee spill, a forgotten crumb from a midnight snack, or an enthusiastic pet's muddy paws can all leave their mark. Children, with their boundless energy and sticky fingers, are notorious for transforming pristine couches into abstract art canvases. These seemingly harmless everyday occurrences, when left unattended, can penetrate deep into the fabric, leaving behind stubborn stains that seem impossible to remove. Preventing stains from marring your sofa's beauty is far easier than battling them once they set in. A few proactive steps can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. Investing in a good quality fabric protector spray is like giving your couch an invisible shield against spills and stains. This protective layer can make cleaning up accidents much simpler and more effective. Regular vacuuming with an upholstery attachment helps remove dust, crumbs, and pet hair before they have a chance to embed themselves. This not only keeps your sofa looking fresh, but also extends its lifespan by preventing wear and tear. Establishing house rules such as no eating on the couch can significantly reduce the risk of food-related stains. Encouraging family members to enjoy their meals at the dining table helps maintain a cleaner living space. Designating a specific blanket for pets can also be a game changer. This simple step ensures that pet hair and dirt are confined to one area, making it easier to clean and maintain the rest of the sofa. By following these tips, you can go a long way in preserving your sofa's pristine condition. A little effort in prevention can lead to a lot of enjoyment and comfort in a clean, inviting living room. Here are some stain removal strategies. Should a spill occur, act swiftly. Blot the stain gently with a clean cloth, working from the outside inwards to avoid spreading. For fresh spills, a mixture of mild dish soap and water can work wonders. For stubborn stains, consider using a specialized upholstery cleaner or seeking professional help. Remember to always test any cleaning solution on an inconspicuous area of your sofa first to ensure color fastness. The unexpected upside of a lived-in look. While a pristine sofa sparks joy, a few well-earned marks tell a story. Each stain, each mark is a chapter in the book of your home. They are reminders of the moments that make life rich and full. They speak of cozy movie nights, laughter-filled gatherings, and furry companions curled up beside us. These marks are not flaws but badges of honor, celebrating the warmth and love shared within these walls. Embrace the imperfections, for they are a testament to a life well lived. The worn edges and faded spots are evidence of countless memories made, of lives intertwined in the fabric of your home. After all, a house is meant to be a home, a space where comfort and memories take precedence over pristine perfection. It's the little imperfections that make it uniquely yours, filled with personal touches and signs of life. So relax, enjoy your haven, and remember, a little character never hurts. Let your home be a sanctuary where every mark and scratch tells a story of love, laughter, and living. Thank you for spending some time with us today, and we will see you soon in the next video.